By. Good. 3-5-4. And last round. Stand by. Nice. 3-1-3. Unload. And choke clear, please.
Is the shooter ready?
Yes.
Stand by. .40.
4.40.
Stand by. .30.
3.20.
Stand by. .45.
3.45.
Stand by. .92. Stand by. .389. 5.14.
Okay, 5.14.
Do you want to change mics?
Yeah.
Stand by. Miss. 6.18. Stand by. 5.08. 5.65. Clear.
Okay. Ready?
Shooter ready? Stand by.
Jeez. This didn't start doing this. My pistol was doing this with this ammo. Okay. Ready.
Shooter ready? Stand by.
Hold on a second. Yeah, that didn't.
Okay.
Okay.
Shooter ready?
Yep.
Stand by.
Nothing really like this.
Okay, 2 rounds left.
Okay.
Shooter ready? Stand by. Stand by. Three. Stand by. Okay, stand by.
Okay. Ready when you are?
Stand by.
.73. Shooter ready.
Ready.
Stand by. .64. Got it. Shooter ready.
Ready.
Stand by.
Ahead of myself.
Picked up number 3. 4.30. Last run.
Okay.
All right. If you want to
Yep.
bring it up and take a look, I know you don't have optics on that, but all right. Load and make ready. Now I don't have to hold the timer quite as close here. Shooter ready.
Ready.
Stand by.
Uh-oh.
All right, we'll do that one over again. Eject that. Or, I'll tell you what, if you want to try it again, just fire it into the berm.
We'll go without this.
Okay.
Boy, that's not
All right.
good.
Shooter ready.
Ready.
Stand by. 5.